Have you ever watched a movie and wondered how do they make this movie look very expensive? Here's the surprising part. It's not always about having a huge budget. Some of the most beautiful films you see were made with limited resources. The difference is that professional filmmakers know how to use the tools they have in a very smooth and professional way. In today's video, I'm going to show you 10 practical ways on how to make your low budget film look very professional and very cinematic. Whether you're using a DSLR, a mirrorless cameras, or a mobile phone, these tips can actually improve the quality of your production. Tip number 1. Tell a great story. The biggest mistake every beginner makes is believing that expensive equipment actually make a very great movie. Audience remember compelling stories, believing characters, and emotional moments far more than when cameras are used. Now, spend time developing a very strong script before you start filming. A great story is always the best investment. Tip number 2. Light your set properly. Lighting has a very great impact on image than buying a very expensive camera. Use window light whenever possible. If you're shooting indoor, keep the key light 45 degrees away from your actor. Separate your subject from the background using a practical light or a backlight. Tip number 3. Choose a better location. A clean, interesting location can actually increase production value. Avoid cluster room unless the story calls for them. Just by hiding and changing camera angles, it can actually hide distracting elements and make the location look far more impressive. Tip number 4. Frame every shot carefully. Don't just point the camera and press record. Use techniques like rule of thirds, headroom, and leading lines and the rest of them to make your shot look very professional. Tip number 5. One of the most important things is that you must understand is that camera movement must support the story. Instead of shaking the camera while walking, use smooth movement, a tripod, gimbal, or even a well handheld camera movement can actually make a very huge difference. Remember, not every shot needs movement. Sometimes the lock of shot is actually the strongest shot. Tip number 6. Record clean audio. Many viewers will forgive average video quality, but they barely forgive poor sound. Record dialogue with a dedicated microphone. Monitor your audio while recording. This is very important. Record background noise before filming instead of trying to fix it later. Professional sound instantly improves the overall impression of your film. Tip number 7. Use color grading to create mood. Professional films don't leave color exactly. Use color grading to establish a consistent mood. Adjust exposure, contrast, white balance, and the rest of them. One of the most important things, avoid over-editing. The goal is to create a natural cinematic look that actually supports the story. Tip number 8. Pay attention to the wardrobe and props. Now, clothing and props actually communicate information about your character. Choose outfits that fit the story and avoid distracting logos, unless they are very important on the screen. Now, thoughtful wardrobe choice can make a film look more believable. Tip number 9. Now, direct your actors well. Direct your actors well. Great acting often matters more than expensive equipment. Before filming, explain the emotion behind each scene to your actors. Encourage your actors to react naturally instead of simply memorizing lines. Strong performance actually help audience connect emotionally with your film. Tip number 10. Edit like a professional. The editing room is where your movie truly comes together. Remove unnecessary pauses, keep the pacing engaging, use your music carefully, balance your audio levels, add smooth transitions. Add smooth transition only when they enhance the story. A clean, well-paced editing can dramatically improve the final result. Now, here is the bonus tips. Many successful filmmakers start with little equipment. What helped them grow wasn't having the biggest budget, it was practicing consistently, learning from each project, and improving one film at a time. Don't wait until everything is perfect before you start. If you're serious about becoming a filmmaker, here is something you should know. Watching tutorial is a great way to learn, but practical experience is what truly builds confidence and skills. At Lavanz Film Academy, we train aspiring filmmakers through hands-on production. Our students learn cinematography, directing, script writing, editing, acting, lighting, sound, and film production by working on real projects. If you have been dreaming of building a career in filmmaking, our new student enrollment is now open. You'll find the registration details in the video description. We will be excited to help you take the next step. Okay, just to finalize, which of these tips do you think will make the big difference in your next project? Please share your answers in the comment section. If you found this video very helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Lavanz TV. Turn on the notification so you don't miss our weekly filmmaking lessons. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.